Tabiat Bridge, Nature Bridge, Tehran. Tabiat Bridge is one of the modern landmarks of Tehran and is a pedestrian-only bridge. It is located in the Abbasabad district of Tehran, connecting Taleghani Park on the east side to Ab-o-Atash Park on the west side. The bridge is built over the Modarres Highway. Its length is approximately 300 meters and its height from the ground reaches about 40 meters in some parts. The total weight of the structure is around 2,000 tons. Tabiat Bridge has 3 levels, floors, each designed to offer different spaces for walking, sitting, and enjoying the views. Its design was inspired by traditional Iranian bridges such as the Si-o-se-pol Bridge in Isfahan. Because of its unique architecture, lighting, and structure, the bridge has won both national and international architectural awards. Tabiat Bridge is not just a passageway, it is a place to stop, relax, take photos, and enjoy the scenery. From the bridge, visitors can see beautiful views of Tehran city, the Alborz Mountains, Mount Damavand, and the surrounding green areas. Abrisham Bridge, Tehran. Abrisham Bridge is another pedestrian bridge located in the Ab-o-Atash Park and Modarres Park complex. It connects Modarres Park to the Mina Dom planetarium. The bridge is about 270 meters long, 14 meters wide, and 27 meters high. Crossing the bridge offers a beautiful view of the nearby parks, the fire towers, Tabiat Bridge, and the Talegani Highway. At night, it is illuminated with colorful lights, creating a spectacular sight. Mina Dom, Mina Planetarium. The Mina Dome, officially called the Mina Planetarium, is one of the scientific and cultural attractions of the Ab-o-Atash Park complex. It is located in the northern part of Ab-o-Atash Park in the Abbasabad area of Tehran. The architecture of the dome is designed to resemble the sun. You can reach the Mina Dome by crossing Abrisham Bridge or through the walking paths inside the park. Inside the dome, astronomy and sky observation programs are held for visitors and enthusiasts.
اصلا نمیتونم حرف بزنم که میخنده بهم.